biggest advantage of this implant protocol is that no cuts, no stitches, one surgery, and the outcome is unsurpassable. There is no comparison of this outcome to the traditional outcome. We preserve nature. Around every tooth there is God-given architecture. The gum goes like an arch. There is plumpiness around that socket. That plumpiness is important for cosmetics. It's important for the health of the implant and for the health of neighboring teeth. We are not a dentist who does implants and everything else. We do only implant dentistry. Implantology is our only focus. We do this Monday to Saturday, morning to the evening. Not only that, we have a lab here. We have all the aspects of implantology under our control. Implantology needs imaging, surgery, dentistry, lab. We have all the four things under one roof, so we can do the treatment in an efficient manner, and we have a better understanding of the entire game. We understand implantology well, and we can do the treatment with a predictable outcome.